Good morning friends, welcome to another session of commerce classes. Today we are going to discuss about the financial services. While going into the financial services, we should understand what is the Indian financial system first. Then we can understand the financial services. So while going into the Indian financial system, we will start with the finance. So what do you mean by finance? Finance is nothing but the source of money. It is otherwise it is called as a value. So finance is the heart of any economic system of a country. So without finance there is nothing is there in the country. So how to generate the finance, so how to maintain the finance, how to mobilize the finance, it is the study of a Indian financial system. So we can see that the Indian financial system has been divided into four types. They are financial institutions, financial markets, financial instruments and financial services. So let we move towards the financial institutions. Institutions are nothing but banks, okay, which does the job of accepting deposits and lending loans to the public. They are all called as a financial institutions. So institution has been divided into two groups. First one is organized sector and other one is unorganized sector. So unorganized sector is controlled by Reserve Bank of India, means all the policies or all the licenses, all the regulations are given by the Reserve Bank of India, and all the institutions which are done with the job of accepting deposit and lending loans should be in the purview of Reserve Bank of India. So these are the some of the banks which are under the control of Reserve Bank India, has commercial banks and development banks, State Bank of India's, agriculture banks, all will come under the Reserve Bank of India's control. And next sector we can see that the unorganized sector, this sector has a limited control by Reserve Bank of India. They will make their own policies, they will make their own interest rate, and limited controlled by Reserve Bank has been done. So under this sector, money lenders and indigenous bankers has come. Indigenous bankers has been come. And next one is the financial markets. The financial markets has been divided into two types. One is money market and another one is the capital market. So money market deals with the short-term finance and capital market deals with the long-term finance. And these two markets are controlled by SEBI, that is nothing but Security Exchange Board of India. So Security Exchange Board India will be regulate the activities of all these markets. So what do you mean by market? Market is nothing but it is a place where the old shares or new shares will bought and sold. This is called as a market. So the money market deals with the short-term finance for within the period of 1 year. It should be called as a short-term market, and capital market long-term. More than 10 years or 15 years, it is called as a long-term finance. So all the regulations, rules and the supervisions are done by SEBI. Okay. And next one is a financial instrument. Financial instrument nothing but it can be easily convertible or it is unconditionally transferable from one person to another. These are the three types. First one is a bills of exchange, and next one is a promissory note, and third one is a check. So these three will become under the Negotiable Instrument Act 1882. If any cases or anything regarding the check or promissory note, we can file a case against the Negotiable Instrument Act. And last finally we can go for the financial services. So what do you mean by financial services? Services nothing but the activities or the benefits or the satisfaction connected with the sale of money or the offer to the users and the customers. Customers are related with the financial related values, because nowadays the financial services has been gaining more and more means interest over the customers, because the organization renders service to the industrial entrepreneurs and ultimate customers market. So they can further divided into so many types like government sectors, private sectors and commercial sectors, industry and international markets. Like that, the financial services are getting their momentum in this recent days. So they will, different institutions are providing different types of financial services like housing building societies, insurance companies, credit card issue companies and leasing companies like venture capital, merchant banking capital, insurance. All this will come under the financial services are rendered by the financial institutions. So we can say that the financial service organizations are taking very step to provide services at his best at the doorstep of the customers, because nowadays customers are with a different innovative products at minimum of the prices. So banks and financial institutions makes the short, medium and long term credits needs to the industrial customers. So these are the slight introduction of Indian financial system, which is providing the financial services to the customers. Thank you.